Hello everybody, I just wanted to get on and show you some of the problems that I've had with my Acura TSX, specifically some charging issues, and I may have resolved the problem with something that most people don't even realize to check. So let me show you what I did. So what would be happening is once my car got below 40 miles per hour, coming to a stop, boom, check charging system light would come on. Okay, so I took the car in to have it diagnosed, and it came back as the alternator was bad the first time. The second time they said the battery was bad. I actually took it to the dealer and paid the $100 fee for them to check the issue, and they had no idea what was wrong with the car, so I got the car back and had to figure it out on my own. So I changed the alternator 3 times. I put a new belt tensioner on there, brand new belt of course, and then of course new battery. And after watching a couple videos on YouTube, I checked for parasitic draw, which was coming from this fuse panel here, and specifically this fuse here, which is a 40 amp fuse, which goes to, if you can see that really good, it's this one here. It says backup, ACC, which actually runs my Bluetooth module inside my car. Very confusing. Okay, so watching some videos on parasitic draw and finding out what that fuse went to, being my hands-free Bluetooth device, did a little searching on Google to find out that Bluetooth the hands-free unit actually has had many problems. You can find it all over the internet. So I disconnected it to see if I would have any other issues, and now after going on 5 days, 0 issues. I think it's fixed because I don't use that thing anyway. I use my headset all the time, not a big deal, so I discontinued it, and this is how I did that. And I'll actually link up down below in the description of another video that takes you through all that stuff from another YouTuber. Okay, so I actually left the panel off. This is the inside kick panel to the passenger side of the car, and this is again 2006 Acura TSX. So I pulled this panel off, and I'll link up the description, like I said, below for the video that I watched how to pull this off, which is very simple. But I do want to point out what these back ones, these clips look like, because in that video I didn't see that, and just it's nice to be able to get a visual on what those clips look like. But once you pull these 2 out, those back 2 will actually just pop right off. And once you pop it off, okay, once you get it off, sorry about the low light, you guys, right there is the Bluetooth module, and then right here you can see the green plug, and I actually just set it there just so you could see, but there's just a little tab. You just push this little tab here, and then you just pop that thing off, and now it's completely disconnected, and no more draw on my battery, so I don't have a low charging, a low battery issue. And all said and done, now that's disconnected. Now I'm gonna just put this panel on, and hopefully that is it. Okay, so hopefully, like I said, that takes care of my issues. I haven't had any problems. I've gone quite a few days now, and I drive quite a bit, so hopefully that will help you guys. It's helped me quite a bit so far, and I know if you look up Google about lawsuits regarding that specific module, you'll definitely find some stuff that has happened with that. So where it stands, I have no idea, but all I know is I don't have any issues now. So hopefully this video will help you guys out with any of those issues. If you have any questions or comments, throw them below, and good luck to you guys. I know it's such a huge headache when even the dealer doesn't have any idea what's going on. So thanks again for watching, you guys. Take care.